Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to limit or block others from accessing my Wi-Fi internet, MAC filtering. Type Wi-Fi router IP address. Click and expand wireless. Click wireless MAC filtering. Check wireless MAC filtering option is enabled. Check, deny the stations not specified by any enabled entries in the list to access. Click Add New. Type your PC or mobile MAC address. Type your own description. Click Save. Your MAC entry is successfully added. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.